Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create an affiliate link in Whop 2025. First, open up your browser and search for create affiliate links in Whop. You'll see several websites pop up, but what you want to do is click on the second link, which will take you to the official Whop website. Once you're on the site, go ahead and select the RER customer option. Then scroll down a bit. Now at the top, you'll see different categories. Click on one and it will show you a list of available affiliate links that you can easily copy. But before you do that, make sure you're signed into your account. If you're not, just click on the sign in button at the top of the page. Enter your email and you're all set. Once you're signed in, simply copy the link that you want and you're good to go. That's it. Now you know how to create an affiliate link in Whop. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.